Today is a momentous day in the history of steel making, also in the future of steel making in the UK. Two big organizations, JCB as well as Tata Steel UK, have after a few months of deliberation have culminated in signing a memorandum of understanding to procure green steel from Tata Steel UK in 3 years' time when the electric arc furnace is up and running and in operation.
Today is very important for JCB. We encourage our suppliers globally reference decarbonisation, and our relationship with Tata over the many years means they are one of our biggest suppliers. And we're really excited by 2027 we can have green steel out of the UK for our UK operations. It's a great day for JCB, a great day for Tata, and we look forward to a strong future together.